괜찮아. 충치는 왔어요. 남들 왔어요.
안녕하세요.
샤워를 왔어요.
안녕하세요.
그사 안 했어요. 샤워했어요. 하세요. 그사. So, ito na naman tayo ngayon, guys. Sign off. Yun ang barko namin. This is the best day of seaman life. Signing off. Yan ang aming chief cook. Chief cook.
Ilang oras pa? 3 hours?
Dati lang to, lapit lang yan.
Yun, dali mo ng pagpagpag.
Yuso. Yuso, Korea. What can you say in your last contract? How?
Very good.
Good. That was a nice contract, huh?
Life of Pasiman.
What?
Work, man.
Outfit check. Yeah. 괜찮아.
Nakasimple si Mayor nakahalip dyan.